After using Cursor for over 500 hours, I've gathered 5 pro tips that will 10x your productivity. But before we start, ask yourself, am I using Cursor to write code that should run for years? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. We'll focus on tips that help you create maintainable and production-ready projects. If you're new here, welcome to Software Engineer Meets AI, where our goal is to help developers like you become better with AI tools. Let's jump right in. Cursor is great, but let's be honest. It's not yet at the point where you can just write a prompt and ship it to production. The best way to use it is to treat it like a junior developer. Just like with a junior, if you want them to follow your coding style, you need to guide them properly. That means adding relevant files to the context and being super clear in your prompts. Mention the tech stack, define any constraints, and lay out exactly what you want. Now, once you start working this way, the next natural step is to adapt your workflow around it. Since Cursor can make mistakes, just like a junior, you'll want to commit frequently and keep your pull requests small. This gives you more control, helps you catch issues early, and makes the code easier to maintain down the line. And speaking of mistakes, you're probably wondering, should you ask Cursor to write tests? Of course, but don't stop there. Go beyond just test generation. When you write new code, ask Cursor to run the tests and fix anything that breaks. Even better, if you find a bug, have Cursor write a test that reproduces it before asking for a fix. That way, your code base gets stronger with every iteration. Now here's something developers often forget. Ask Cursor to review its own code. Tell it to act like an expert and check for bugs and vulnerabilities in what it just generated. This creates a feedback loop where one agent is reviewing another agent's work, which is actually how AI-assisted workflows are shaping up in the real world. And finally, don't lose the gold. If Cursor gives you exactly what you were hoping for, don't just move on. Ask it to write the prompt that would consistently generate those same results and save it. Building a library of solid prompts will save you massive amounts of time and effort in future projects. That's it for today. We'd love to have you as part of our community. Let us know in the comments what topics you want us to dive into next. And as always, thanks for watching.